Social media is abuzz with leaks and rumors about DJI's upcoming innovation, the DJI Flip drone. In this video, we'll consolidate all the latest updates, features, and speculations about this revolutionary device. From battery life to advanced AI capabilities, there's a lot to unpack. Point one of the standout features of the DJI Flip is its impressive 3,110 mAh battery. This is a significant upgrade compared to the DJI Mini 4 Pro and promises up to 31 minutes of flight time. What makes this even more exciting is the drone's ultra-lightweight build and innovative propeller design, which could potentially extend flight times beyond the stated figure. At just 83.5 grams, the battery is designed for both efficiency and portability, making it a vital component of this cutting-edge drone. But the innovation doesn't stop there. DJI has introduced a sleek charging hub that can handle two batteries simultaneously or in sequence, with a charging time of just 45 minutes per battery. Downtime is minimized, ensuring you spend more time in the air and less time waiting. The hub is compatible with a 65W parallel charger, further enhancing its efficiency. Weighing in at less than 249 grams, the DJI Flip stands out as one of the most portable drones in DJI's lineup. This ultra-lightweight design not only makes it easy to carry, but also eliminates the need for drone registration in many regions. The DJI Flip is set to redefine aerial photography with its advanced AI-powered object tracking. This feature allows the drone to autonomously adjust its position to maintain the best possible viewing angle. Whether you're filming a dynamic sports sequence or a serene landscape, the AI ensures smooth, professional-quality footage with minimal manual interventions under the hood. The DJI Flip boasts a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor that excels in capturing light, resulting in superior image quality, even in challenging low-light conditions. This sensor, coupled with the ability to shoot 4K video at 60 frames per second with HDR, ensures stunning visuals with vibrant colors. DJI has reimagined the propeller design for the Flip, focusing on efficiency and performance. The unique blade structure not only contributes to smoother flights, but also enhances stability. This innovation ensures that your drone remains steady even in challenging conditions, allowing you to focus on capturing the perfect shot. DJI has reimagined the propeller design for the Flip, focusing on efficiency and performance. The unique blade structure not only contributes to smoother flights, but also enhances stability. This innovation ensures that your drone remains steady even in challenging conditions, allowing you to focus on capturing the perfect shot. Despite its lightweight design, the DJI Flip doesn't compromise on durability. Constructed with high-quality materials, this drone is built to withstand minor impacts and challenging environments. Whether you're flying in windy conditions or navigating tight spaces, the DJI Flip's robust build ensures reliability. This combination of portability and durability sets a new standard for compact drones. The DJI Flip is shaping up to be a groundbreaking addition to DJI's lineup. With its lightweight design, advanced AI tracking, impressive camera capabilities, and professional-grade accessories, it promises to elevate the drone experience for users at all levels. Whether you're looking to capture cinematic footage or simply explore the joy of flying, the DJI Flip offers something for everyone. Share your thoughts in the comments below and stay tuned for more updates on this exciting release.